What is control and volumetric analysis in industry? Quality control is a process of testing and verifying for a product to meet their quality benchmark. This is to identify defects early, minimize error, and reduce cost for rework and recalls. There are two types of volumetric, which is acid-base titration.
Volumetric analysis, also named as titration. Volumetric analysis, also known as quantitative analytical method. It means that it can help with finding an amount of a substance. This method has been widely used in industry for quality control. This technique involves measuring the volume of a solution of known concentration, which is the titrant, that required to react completely with the analyte in the sample. Here is an overview of the theory and applications of volumetric analysis in industrial quality control.
Hi guys, I will explain about the principle of volumetric analysis. The first one is the stoichiometric reaction. The reaction between the analyte and the titrant must be well defined and known. There should not be any side reaction. The second one is the standard solution, that is titrant. A solution of precise known concentration called the standard solution or titrant is prepared using a highly pure primary standard substance. In an industrial lab, this solution is housed in a calibrated burette, so its addition can be measured with extremely accuracy. The third one and the last one is equivalent point. Equivalent point is the theoretical point in the titration where the quantity of added titrant is chemically exact and completely neutralized or react with the analyte. And then the end point is the actual physical point observed in the laboratory where the reaction is flagged as complete.
So now let's look at application of volumetric analysis in quality control. There is three major industries that use volumetric analysis, which is pharmaceutical industry, cosmetic industry, and also food industry. First of all, pharmaceutical industry use volumetric analysis to make sure drug has exact right amount of active ingredient, which is too little, the medicine won't work, and too much, it might be harmful. It also ensures there is no dangerous impurity and also unwanted chemical left. Next, we move to cosmetic industry. Volumetric analysis used as analyzed for qualitative and quantitative formulation component. It also helps manufacture, measure, and manage color parameter. Finally, we have food industry. We use volumetric analysis, which is titration, to measure acidity because it affects flavors, preservation, and safety. Additionally, it also detects impurities and contaminants to maintain product quality. Now, moving on to our methodology. First, define standard. This involves establishing clear and specific standards for acceptable quality. Next is sampling. Instead of testing every single items, representative items are selected randomly from larger groups. Third is inspection. This means closely examining the sample and watch if they meet the standard. If there are any issues found, we move to the root cause analysis. Here, the defect was investigated to uncover the reason behind that. Once the cause is known, the corrective action is taken. This action is to fix the existing defects. But fixing only isn't enough. Preventive action is also important, which is changing the process so the defect never happen again. To keep everything transparent, documentation is emphasized. This involves recording all the detailed data and activity. And ultimately, ongoing oversight is maintained, which is keep eyes on the process to prevent any issues happening. Finally, the focus turns to process optimization. All the feedback and data collected was used to refine and improve quality control.
Volumetric analysis has many benefits. First benefit is ensuring product quality. Volumetric analysis help industry check whether the amount of an ingredient is correct. This ensures that every product meets the required standard and has consistent quality. The second benefit is improving product safety. By measuring the concentration of chemical accurately, industry can make sure that harmful substances are within safe limits. This helps protect consumers and reduce the risk of unsafe products. The third benefit is cost effectiveness. Compared to many advanced analytical techniques, volumetric analysis requires simple equipment and inexpensive chemicals. This makes it practical and affordable for routine quality control. Another benefit is fast and reliable testing. Volumetric analysis provides results quickly, allowing manufacturers to identify problems early and make corrections before products are released to the market.
Here are examples of volumetric analysis that has been used in certain industrial fields. First, food and beverage. The type of volumetric analysis that has been used in this industry is acid-base titration. This method has been used in order to make sure the acidity of vinegar meets the quality standards. Next, we have pharmaceutical. Same goes with food and beverage. Pharmaceutical also use acid-base titration. This method has been used to measure amount of active pharmaceutical ingredients. By this, we can ensure the medicine contains the correct dosage. If you want to know more, you can just refer the schedule.
So, in conclusion, volumetric analysis titration is a vital chemical tool across the industry, like food production, pharmaceutical, and water treatment, where precise volume measurement ensure the product quality and consumer safety. Whether it's verifying the freshness of milk, checking vinegar standard, regulating chlorination, or ensuring accurate medication doses. Titration breach laboratory precision with a real-world safety. Ultimately, it is remained as an indispensable cornerstone of the quality control that direct protect the public health and guarantee industrial reliability.
Oh, so that's how volumetric analysis work in industrial field.
Have you learned something today?
Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!